Narex Hand Stitched Rifflers are made by hand in the Czech Republic using old world techniques in craftsmanship. Rifflers are small rasps designed specifically to shape and smooth intricate details. They are favorites of professional carvers, luthiers, and woodworkers around the world. Hand stitching is a technique where each and every tooth is created by hand by a craftsman using a small hammer and chisel. The act of hand stitching produces a slightly random tooth pattern and tooth size that allows these tools to cut quickly while still leaving an exceptionally smooth surface, a trait that is unique only to hand-stitched rasps. Each of these rifflers features roughly 60 teeth per square centimeter, the same as the Narex fine hand-stitched cabinet maker's rasps. They are made of carbon steel that has been hardened to a Rockwell hardness of 49, giving them excellent longevity and durability. Each of the 8 different rifflers has a unique profile, including flat, square, round, triangular, half-round, and have straight, curved, or tapered cutting faces. Rifflers allow the craftsman to reach into tight or complex areas in carvings or profiled portions of moldings in order to shape and smooth different types of details that would otherwise be challenging or impossible to access with sandpaper, scrapers, or by any other means. Available individually or in a money-saving 8-piece package, the Narex Hand Stitched Rifflers are excellent tools to have at your disposal.